Hi, I'm Brian Hubert from PBIS Apps. Today, we're talking about how to customize your referral data entry screen to match with your school's processes and with the extra data you want to use in your decision making. Most parts of the referral entry screen are standard across every school's account. However, there are a handful of ways that you can tailor it and make it fit for you. So let's get started. First, head up to the Tools menu at the top of the screen and select School Settings. The settings we want to work with today are found under the Application menu along the left-hand side in Swiss. Okay, so there's a lot that we can do here, but we're just going to focus on these first two sections: Referral Data Entry and Problem Behavior Subtypes. So in the Referral Data Entry section, we've got a few options. The first two allow us to add more than one action taken and more than one problem behavior to a new referral. If you want to capture all of the unwanted behaviors that led up to the referral or all of the different actions you took in response, you'll want to edit this setting. Click anywhere in the row to open it and tell it how many different actions you want to allow someone to enter on a referral. I'm going to say 3. 3 is a good number. And you can do the same for problem behaviors too. There we go. Below that is the referral time range. Now, most of you will probably just want to leave this default time range as is. However, maybe there are some of you who want to track behaviors that happen in the evenings, maybe during football games, or you're a residential school, so you need the full day. If you want to be able to enter referrals before 7 a.m. and after 5 p.m., this is where you would update that setting. The last one in this section is custom fields. So I'm not going to show you how to set these up here. This setting gets its own dedicated tutorial. Essentially, custom fields are a great way to set up your own drop-down menus on your own referral entry screen. This is your way to collect data not accessible in the standard required fields, and it's really a nice feature. Check out that tutorial for how to take advantage of them. Now, the last two settings to customize your referral entry screen are here under Problem Behavior Subtypes. We give you 2 problem behaviors to break out further into types: harassment and use and possession of weapons. It's easier to explain these with an example. Let's say your team sits down to check out your referral data and you see that there's been an increase in incidents of harassment in the last couple of months. So what types of solutions would you come up with if all you knew is students were harassing each other? What would you change about your solution if you knew students were primarily engaged in harassment related to student disability? You can ask folks to get specific about the harassment type or the weapon type, and you get to set those selections in this setting. So set this to yes, and then that opens up a whole new area to add those types. In that space over to the right, enter in the subtype and click Save. Now, you can enter in as many subtypes as you need. So that's it for the customization settings in your referral entry screen. Take advantage of as many of them as make sense for you and your school. Good luck!